right now we are installing our decked cargo glide system into an 8-foot bed of a Ford F-150. The first process was unboxing and getting it into the bed. They recommend using the actual box as a protector, so we put that down first. We got everything aligned, and now we're just getting it all set up and the tolerance is right. So it's required a little bit of trial and error here, but I think we've got it about aligned. Next step will be to drill our holes.
So 1/2 inch, right? 5/16 and 1/2 inch drill bits, correct?
5/16 and 1/2 drill bits, 5/16 and 1/2 drill bits stops if you have them, but you're using the tape. So what Norton's doing here is he is applying some blue plunge tape to his drill bits to ensure that the depth that he drills to is exactly what he needs to. So now that we've got our holes drilled, Norm is installing tapped bolt anchors, which will allow us to secure the cargo glide to the bed of the truck. So at this point, we've got everything drilled out, we've got everything lined up, and all that's left is to get our cargo glide system bolted down.
Let her in.
So far, so good.
Very close seats to him.
Look at that. The decked cargo glide system is installed and supports up to, well, at least 163 pounds, but up to about 1,500 pounds.